Hello students and welcome to another digital tutorial. All right, so today's class we're going to do two things. We're going to review a little bit of our last class for We Wish You a Merry Christmas and learn the next staff in the song. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So we learned before, I'll go ahead and play it first. Pretty much it, just that first staff. So let's go ahead and go over it. Now, in our last class, UMAV had written the letters over the notes. Now, I'm going to be looking at the guitar tabs and maybe jumping back and forth. So here we go. We had this G note, which was the third string open, and then string number 2, fret 1. Then we went quickly from fret 1 again to fret 3. Back to 1, open, string 3, fret 2. Now string 4, fret 3. So we had then that was pretty right there. That was pretty much the all of our last class. All right, so let's go ahead and go into the new section, So notice that we don't have any letters written down here. So I would encourage you, Mav, to go ahead and write the letters above the notes for this second staff, just like we did for staff number 1. I'll go ahead and I'll play all of staff number 2, and then we'll break it apart into little smaller chunks, bite-sized chunks. Here we go, staff number 2. All right, so let's go ahead and go over this part. So our first measure, we have third string open, that's the G note. First string open, that's E. First string again to the first fret. So, just like that, keep going. And string 3, fret 2. That's the A note. Those first two measures, let's try those out one more time. All together, it sounds like this. And a little bit slower. G, E, E, F, E, D, C, A. The A note, that's string 3, fret 2. All right, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can play the first two measures by yourself. When we come back, we'll go ahead and play the last two measures of this staff. Remember, you can always rewind the video to go back and look at certain parts a little bit closer. I'll see you when you get back. Great job, great job. Okay, let's go ahead and go over the next two measures, Here we go. All right, so we have string number 3, fret 0. This is the G note twice. Now remember, these aren't whole notes or half notes or even quarter notes. These are called eighth notes, and eighth notes are played faster than quarter notes. So we have G, G, A. Now we're going to string 2, fret 3. This is the D note. String 2 is open, B note, and then the last note we have, that half note, it's a string 2, fret 1, that's the C note. All right, so let's go ahead and put these two measures all together. I'll play them at speed so you can hear them. It sounds like. And now let's do this a little bit slower. I'll move both of my hands into the guitar cam, and here we have. Whoops, open first, and then second string, first fret. Okay, all right, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can put that second part together by yourself. When we come back, we're going to go through the whole second staff. As a matter of fact, I'll probably just play from the beginning all the way through the second staff. Go ahead and practice, and I'll see you in a bit. Hey, great job, great job. Okay, as advertised, let's go ahead and play all of staff 2 first. Let's play all of staff 2 first. It sounds like this. Woo, now that was definitely fast. Remember, Mav, quarter notes get 1 count, eighth notes, we play them a little bit faster, they get half of a count, and half notes get 2 counts, 2 counts. All right, I'll go ahead and play what we learned last class. That's the first part of We Wish You a Merry Christmas, in with this new part that we learned today. Here we go. So picking up from the very top, the ones where you wrote the letters in green, it sounds like this. We have now the new part. Whoops. All right, that's going to do it for today. Now, remember our tip. I would go back through and write the letter names above the notes if you need to. Remember, our saying for the spaces on the treble clef, we always go from bottom to top and we say face. That's F-A-C-E. And our saying for the lines on the treble clef is every giant booger deserves finger. And again, we go from bottom to top. All right, Mav, I'll see you in our next class. Bye.